I'll share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Okay. So, shall I teach in English, or you want I can teach in Hindi also if you want?
English.
Okay, okay. Absolutely. Good. You're a good son, bro. So, today we'll start with perimeters and areas. This is Ulu and this is Lulu. Today, Ulu will tell you about perimeter and Lulu will tell you about area. So, there are two topics like what is perimeter, what is area. It is used in making, if you want to be an architecture, it is used to get the size of an area. They are used to, if you want to, like, in your home, you want to do fencing, or you at Diwali you want to like decorate your house with the lights, and you say that how much light do I want, or how much paint do I want to paint this wall. So with this perimeter and area in your life, you can do a lot of stuff. Like if you want to do painting, like on a chart paper, what you do, you take a scale, you measure the your chart paper, like what is its length, what is its breadth, and you come to know like, okay, I have this much of space and now I can draw over here. So that is an area, like length and breadth. We'll go further. Let's see. So the distance around and outside of a shape is called a perimeter. Like if this is a shape
The
that like
sides.
out.
The
Yeah,
sides.
yeah, this exactly. Like if I show you with the laser, this distance, all sides, the sum of all sides is perimeter. Let's see what are the sides length. This length, like the where the arrows goes, this is our perimeter. First, we need to find the length of each sides. What is it? What is there in this square or in this rectangle? Where each block, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 blocks are there. Each block is for 1 centimeter. So there are 8 blocks over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 block over here. So it is an 8 by 6 rectangle. See, 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter rectangle. So if it is a rectangle and evenly figure, so what is the length over here? Shall be the length over here also. Let's see. Yeah, see, it is 8 over here, and if it is 6 over here, it will be 6 over here. So the total sum of 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 is the perimeter. See, the perimeter of this shape is 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6, that is 28 centimeter. So moving on, let's see what is the perimeter of these sides. Let's count. Like you can count with me. If I take I'll take a highlighter. That will be more easy. So this is a one block, second block, third block, fourth block, fifth block. If you can see, here are 5 blocks over here and 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks over here. So 4 into 5. So what will be its perimeter? 4 plus 5 plus 4 plus 5. So it will be around, let's see, it is 18 centimeter. Like 5, 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 9 plus 5 is 14. And 14 plus 4 is 18. Let's see the perimeter of this. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is this boundary, this yellow line that I am making, the outside boundary that is highlighted in black, as you can see. This is the perimeter. Let's see what is of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 length and 3 as a breadth. So let's see. Yeah, this is also 18. Let's see of this. One, two as a length, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is as its breadth. It is a vertical rectangle. So 7 into 2, what will be its perimeter? Let's check it out. It will be also 18 centimeter. You can see over here, there are three different shapes. Like it is just like a square. It is a horizontal rectangle, and it is a vertical rectangle. But its perimeters are same. And why is that? Let's see. Because the length perimeter is what? The length and breadth, the edges of a shape. So the edges are similar, the length and breadth will be similar. Like if you want to if you want a rope around this column, the similar 18 centimeter rope will be enough to like round around this, to fence this and to fence this. Let's see of this. This is a big square. So this is a big square, it will be of 22 centimeter. and this will have 26 centimeter. So let's see. Now this was the perimeter of regular shapes. Let's see what is of irregular shapes. Ulu says, now find the perimeter of these shapes that are not drawn on the scale. Let's see. They are irregular scale. They are not having any scale behind them. So what will be the perimeter? Can you tell me, Laksh?
Sir, it will be of the
Three.
pentagon.
Yeah, it will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. So let's count together. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. And 15 plus 3, 18. So let's see, is it 18? Because you counted along with me. If it is right, you are going on a right track, son. Let's see. Wow, it is 18. Now let's count this. Now this I have done. Now this you will do. So 5 plus 7, what will be the answer?
5 plus 7,
Yep.
12,
12 plus 3.
15,
15 plus 7.
22.
Yeah, you are right. Let's see if you have done it right or not. Oh wow, Laksh, you are so good at that. You did it right. Come on, very good, very good. You are going so great. Now let's see of this square, this star also. It is having 4 centimeters. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. And 25 plus 3, 28. Let's see if it is 28 or not. If it is 28, I am also good at math. And if it is 28, we are going on the right track. Oh wow, I'm good at maths and we are going on the right track. Let's see. So this was of uneven figures. Now let's come and make a basic formula how you can calculate perimeter without this addition. Like within the seconds you can calculate the perimeter. So perimeter of rectangle, what it is? It has a rectangle has a length and a breadth. So what we do, we add all these. So removing this a4 and 8, if we represent this as length and breadth, it will be length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. So why not we can write length plus breadth two times, right? So this is a general formula to calculate perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, any doubt still now, Laksh?
No, no doubt.
See, there are 2L over here, right, and 2B over here. So why not we can just group this, like if I take a highlighter, why not just group this and this? I'll group this stuff. This will be one group in yellow, and if I take a different color, this will be second group in blue. So group this is one times and this is two times. So if one plus two, so we can write two times L plus B. The perimeter of a rectangle will be two times length plus breadth. So I'll highlight that up. It will be more easy for you to remember. So now if someone asks you what is the perimeter of a rectangle, you'll need just a length and a breadth. You will not need anything else. You can just calculate if you are having length and breadth. Moving on to a square. Square is a figure that has evenly sides, like the this side and this side will be equal. Similarly, this side and this side will be also equal. And the properties of rectangles are the opposite sides are equal. So all the sides of a square are equal. So if the square is having side or length of 6 centimeter, so what will be its perimeter? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. We know there are 4 6, so we can write 4 into 6 or 4 into length. What is its length? So general formula of a square becomes 4 into side or 4 into length of a square. Length of one side. Any doubts till here, Laksh?
No, we can also calculate by that 6 multiplied by 4 and
Yeah, that we have written that only. See, 4 into s. What is s or what is l? L is 6, right? So 4 into 6 will be the our answer. That is 24, right? Hello. Any
hello?
doubts? Yeah.
No.
Any Okay, moving on to a triangle. A triangle is a three-sided figure that has uneven, like the sides can be uneven also. It can be similar also. It can be uneven also, or it can have two sides similar and one side different. So a triangle is a figure, three-sided figure having three sides. So length of a triangle is what we calculated previously, sum of all the sides, that is a plus b plus c. So it is similar to the uneven figures. Moving on, what is an area? So the area is a shape of amount required inside it. Like if there is a shape, if you look at this shape, so area is the amount required inside this shape. We can count the number of columns in this shape. That will be its area. Let you just count along with me. So to find out how much shape inside, we can count the squares. So we'll count the squares. So you'll count along with me. Okay. So one,
One,
yeah, I'll go
two,
on and you count it. Two,
three,
three.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Let's see if your counting is right or not. If it is 18 centimeter square, the area is 18, then you are amazing counter. You're doing so great. Let's see. So yeah, you are right, absolutely right. You count it so well. You are learning so fast, Lakshya. You are amazing. So the area of a figure is the amount of squares or amount inside that figure. The perimeter is on its boundary and area is inside it. It's like how much, if you want to color this, like if you want to color this figure, what you will do? You will say I how much color I want or how much blocks I want. So this is for this we calculate area. In real life example, if you see, if you are in your room, there might be marbles in your floor. So amount of marbles that are required to like make one room is the area. So we calculate the area for one marble and we multiply for how many marbles are available for there. Or if you want to paint your wall or in your room, so we calculate the area. What is area? Moving on. So what are the area? Now we'll do the area of some. This is a formulas for areas of some basic figures. Like the triangle has the to calculate area, we required breadth and height. We required the base and height, where B is the base and H is a vertical height. So the area of a triangle is half base into height, and height is nothing. Height is like if I draw a perpendicular line in this triangle. What is a perpendicular line? Its angle is 90-degree over here, right? It is having an angle of 90-degree over here. If I draw a straight line over here, that is its height. So the area of a triangle is half base into height. You need to remember this formula. I'll highlight the formulas that are required to learn. It is very easy. How it is very easy to calculate the area of a triangle. We just require what we require. I'll show you over here. We require breadth. You can see we require breadth and we require height over here to calculate the area of a triangle. Two things are required where B is the base and H is the vertical height. That is, if a perpendicular is drawn with an angle of 90 degrees. Moving on to a square. The square has the length A. It has, all the sides are similar. So the area of a square is A square. The area of a square is A square. So we require just a length, and what we'll do, we'll square it up. Like if it is a length 4. So what is the square of 4? Laksh, can you tell me what is the square of 4? Hello? Hello?